Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use easy digital downloads in WordPress. First, access your WordPress admin area and go to Plugins, then Add New. Search for Easy Digital Downloads and click Install Now. Once installed, activate the plugin. This essential step enables all the powerful features for selling digital products directly from your website. You'll then see a new Downloads menu item in your dashboard. Now let's create your first digital product. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over Downloads and click Add New. Give your product a clear title and a compelling description to inform your customers. Next, upload the actual digital file, whether it's an ebook, music, or software. Finally, set a price for your product. You can choose 0 for free downloads or any amount for paid items. To start accepting payments, you need to configure your payment gateways. Go to Downloads, then Settings, and click on the Payments tab. Here, you can enable popular options such as PayPal Standard or Stripe. Select your desired gateway and enter your account information, like your PayPal email or Stripe API keys. This ensures secure and seamless transactions for your customers, making purchases straightforward. Once your store is live, managing orders and tracking performance is simple. Navigate to Downloads and then Orders to see a comprehensive list of all customer purchases. For deeper insights, visit Downloads and click Reports. Here, you can view your total earnings, identify your best-selling products, and monitor customer activity. These reports provide valuable data to help you optimize your digital product sales strategy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.